ignore that. Today I am going to be showing you my squishy collection. And most of these squishies are super, super tiny. So just be aware of that. But here are most of my squishies. Here are pretty much all my squishies. Some of these are the squishies from, I think, a squishy. Let me go grab the packaging. So the first squishy that I have is, this is from a Squishy Delish package from this blind bag. Super duper soft. And it's also a pig in a blanket. And they're not as squishy. They're not really that squishy, but I guess they're pretty squishy. So that was my first squishy. Next, I just burped. Okay. Next, I have this Hello Kitty waffle. Pretty squishy. And it's also a flat squish. Sorry, this is bulging in the way. Super cute. And that's 2 squishies down. I got this from a package, and I don't actually know what kind of squishy this is, but, so I don't know what kind of squishy this is, but it's pretty squishy. It's very sticky. You guys hear that? Yeah, it's very, very sticky. But it's squishy. But there's also an air bubble right here, too. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's like clear, but it's an air bubble. And next I have this little, I think, like bear bun, I think. And it also has like a tattoo on its face. And has a little keychain. And has like a tattoo on its face. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has a tattoo on its face. Super duper squishy. These are from Amazon. Like, these 3 squishies are from Amazon, and I usually buy my squishies from Amazon, but this time I'm actually gonna buy my squishies from Banggood.com. So yeah, pretty excited for that. And then some of them are from Squishy, you know. Next I have this like Minnie Mouse bun thing. I don't actually know what this is, but it looks like a bun something. It's really squishy. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. And it does have a few defects, as you guys can see. These are really, really old squishies from like 2016, I think. So, or not, I don't know if they're from 2016. I don't know. But yeah. And then I have this really cute pink bread. This one's also very sticky. If you guys can hear that. So yeah, next I have this chocolate bar that has a bunch of defects. My friend gave this to me, and it's actually a pretty dense squishy, but it's like a cheap one too. I think it's from like Amazon. And I'm not saying that Amazon squishies are cheap, but I think this is from like, I don't know. I just know that it's from my friend. Then I have this random little roll thing, but it's so squishy. Usually Amazon squishies aren't that squishy, but these are pretty squishy. This is like a pack of something, like a pack of 20, I think. So then I have this little ice cream cone. It has like a lot of details on the cone. Do you guys see that? There's a bunch of cone details. Very squishy as well. Yeah, pretty squishy. Next squishy I have is this like Chinese something. Chinese doing something. Praying or something. I don't know. It's pretty cute. Jesus, it's already been 4 minutes. Okay. So I had to stop the video and start it again because it was getting too long on the timer thing I have right here. So then I have this little just random bun. and it's actually really slow rising. Ooh, it's squishy. Okay. And I don't have a tripod, so that's why I kind of like just set it up right there. So, pretty sick, right? Yeah. Okay, there. And then I have this little emoji bun. And it's so squishy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have another one too. I don't know if it's in here, but oh yeah, it's right here. So then I have this one. This one is way more squishy than the other one. I don't know why this one is so much more squishy, but it's a pink melon bun emoji. So yeah, pretty sick. And then I have a bunch of these little keychain ones. They're super like, they're kind of just like stress balls, but what's the other ones? There, I got like 10 of them, I think. Yeah, like 10 about, I think. I have way more than this, but I don't know where they are. I have 10 though. I think I got these from my friend from softball. So, this one is really soft. This one's pretty dense, but yeah. So, then I have those, and then I have this like, I don't know, this is like a donut with jam in it. I don't know, but it's not squishy. It has a bounce back, but yeah. My favorite squishy of all time is this so squishy turtle. Do you just look at that? And the head is squishy too. It feels like air. Like, it's so tiny. It also can rip really easily. That's why I don't squish this a lot. But it's still my favorite squishy. Because, like, as you guys can see, it rips super easily. So, I try not to squish it too much. But there it is. And then I think I have 2 Hello Kitty donuts. One of them is all the way at the bottom of this right there. So for Squishy Dares, I cut one, so that's probably why it's in 2 pieces. And I thought I gave my friend the other one. I guess I didn't, but here's the 2 pieces. It goes together like that. It's so super squishy, but it breaks. So, yeah, that's 2 parts of a squishy for you. And then I have my favorite donut. Super squishy. And I don't think I'm really going to do slime anymore because I get slime everywhere. I am saying everywhere, so I don't think I'm going to make slime anymore. But then I have 2 more Squishy Delish squishies. I got 2 bunnies. Here's the purple one. I don't know how it's that squishy. I thought these weren't supposed to be not squishy at all, but look at that. This one was really like this one before. Do I just have to like leave them to sit for a while and they get more squishy? This one was also very dense, so let's see. It's so squishy. But I think the purple one is the best because look at how squishy that is. These are from Target and they're like this, like boy. And then I have one more Squishy Delish squishy. This is super duper dense, but I traded my friend and I got this super dense one. This one is also squishy. It wasn't squishy at all. It's super hard. It's a orange panda on a pancake, I think. But that's pretty cute. And then I have a football. It's still in the net. I said you guys can't see that, but I don't want to take this out because like I just don't want to take it out because I want it to, this is from Stop and Shop. Pretty sick. So I just don't want to take this out of the packaging because all of my other squishies are out of the packaging that I have Crush Balls, so I just don't want to. And these are like all my mini squishies that I have. And then I have this cat that I squished a lot in 4th grade. that I squished a lot in school. I should just say that. Okay. And then I have, I think, a crush ball. And I have 2 more in here, I think. I have another tennis ball. 2 tennis balls. And then I have my favorite, which is there any more in here? Nope. Okay, and then I have my golf ball. It doesn't even rise, dude. This is so squishy. It's way more squishier than these. This one's pretty squishy. And then this one is not squishy at like all. I mean, it's alright squishiness, but this one is definitely my favorite. And then I have my big like croissant thingy, and it's kind of squishy, but it has a crap ton of defects. Do you guys see that? Yeah. So then I have a cut up panda bun. I only have these 2 pieces. I don't know where the other pieces are, but this was like my favorite squishy. I think this was like my first squishy too. And then I have this one that has slime on the bottom. It's a turtle. It has no head. I think I thought I was supposed to get 5 of these turtles, but I only got 1. And my friend got the pink one, I think. I have a Roly Toast, and it's very, like, this. No, this was my first. Wait. I think this was my first squishy. I think it was. Yeah, this was definitely my first. Or it was I don't know if it was the panda bun or it was that one, but I'm pretty sure it was that one. And then I have this donut. I know I don't have squishies, but still. I have 3 milk bottles. This is making me so tired. I have 3 milk bottles. I have the pink one, which is my absolute favorite. No. Wait, no. Wait, hold up. I think these are my first squishies. These 3 milk bottles, I think that they were my first squishies. Because I don't remember getting all those other ones. I rubbed this one with water, and it's so hard now. And then I have the purple one, which is my kind of favorite. Okay, so then I have a stress ball. It's this emoji stress ball. Because I had one in school, and then I lost it. So then I have all of these broken squishies. I have this one that broke. Yeah, it broke. It got ripped apart, actually. But I want to... Oh, here's the turtle head. I bet you guys are thinking, like, oh my god, you don't take good care of your squishies. I got these when I was, like, 8. And I cut them up. So, don't blame me right now, but just, like, this was really squishy, too. I don't know why I did that. And then I have this little footprint, and it's super hard. My last squishy of this video is my... Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.